गुरुवर प्रणाम। मैं माई सेल्फ संजय कुमार। नाउ in this class also I will give you the more and more authentic and resource based information in the MCQ format. In generic term you can say that objective questions. The entire session of this class is based on the manual or Niyamavali that was published by the government of Bihar by the order of governor. In this Niyamavali, so many facts is encapsulated in the form of description, in form of information. We just pick and choose everything from the Niyamavali and convert into MCQs. This is the most authentic and proven way to remember and understand the topic, subject, very easy manner, because MCQ is the more tricky but easy to remember, very easy to remember, and also it is given you the big support at the time of examination. You can easily answer the MCQs in examination hall. So the next question in this class: who has the power to decide after hearing the appeal of the matters related to the service condition of the working headmaster under the existing rule? Means is particular in this rule. So regional deputy director, director secondary education, secretary educational department, education minister, government of Bihar. The most appropriate authority is here is the director secondary education, because in the real sense this is the director secondary education is the Mai Bap for you. Who was the first education minister of Bihar? Acharya Badrinath Barma, Ashok Chaudhary, Nagendra Jha, Vijay Kumar Chaudhary. Acharya Badrinath Barma was the first education minister of independence after the independence, or in that time chief minister was Sri Krishna Singh. Another question: who was the first governor of Bihar? Jairam Das Daulatram, Zakir Hussain, R.D. Pradhan, A.R. Kidwai. So Jairam Das Daulatram Das was the first governor of Bihar. How many divisions are there in Bihar? Division means commissary. In generic, you are telling commissary. So how many commissary in Bihar? 5, 7, 9, 10. So in Bihar 9 commissary, 9 division in Bihar. After the state, the major administrative unit is the division, is the commissary, or the higher authority of commissary is from side of the administration commissioner, from side of the police deputy inspector general DIG. So or in a division so many districts, at least in Bihar the minimum district under a division is 2 or maximum is I think 6. Next question, which is the most populous division? Which division population is highest? Patna, Saran, Tirhut, Magda. Tirhut is the most populous division. Where is the headquarter of Tirhut? Muzaffarpur is the headquarter of Tirhut. Where is the Saran headquarter? Chhapra is the Saran headquarter. Where is Magda headquarter? So Gaya is the Magda headquarter. How many districts there in the smallest Bhagalpur division? Bhagalpur is the smallest division of Bihar, smallest commissionary of Bihar. Only 2 districts are here, Bhagalpur himself and Banka. Only 2 district division is the Bhagalpur. What is the number of district in Bihar? How many district in Bihar? Option is here 40, 38, 35, 30. 38 district in Bihar. So this is the totally Niyamavali based class. 4 class is based on the only Niyamavali. After that we will do more and more important things. We will deliver you through the classes. You must touch with us, or lot of way to communication is here. Our email, our WhatsApp number, customer care number. You call us, you write us, you send your problem, you communicate with us, you send your suggestion, anything we will provide you through this platform. Now this is available on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. All social media platform is well connected with us, and you must subscribe and must propagate, must tell your friends and subscribe my channel and push the bell icon button and keep and boost my moral. Bless me, I am your student. So being a teacher, I am always seeking your blessings. Thank you. Bye.
Contact, email straightforwardclasses@gmail.com. Phone number 901 30 11 749. WhatsApp 88 00 74 00 94.